In this video, I'm going to show you some progress on the YEA-FRAME, as well as introduce you to a new member of the crew. So stay tuned. Hi everybody, welcome to YEA-FRAME. I'm Captain Pete. I'm here to help you build unique A-frames that others will envy. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing.
We need more pressure on the gun.
Oh, everybody, hey, this is my new crew member. It's my mother. She came down to say hi.
Hi.
She came down to help out and build with me today for my birthday. So, everybody, there you go. There's Mom.
Hi.
Alright, just finished recently a video on how to flash behind your sheathing. So I got the lower skeleton built, 2 foot on centers.
Hey Pete, where do you want me to throw this one?
She's strong. I'm glad you find this entertaining. Ma, 22 7/16.
Should I take the line or leave the line? Or please tell me the exact measurements in 30 seconds.
Alright. I once promised to put out videos, I believe it was every 7 to 10 days. So I failed you at that, but there's bigger fish to fry. I'm building, so I'll put them out when I can. My son's kindergarten teacher used to say, you get what you get and you don't get upset. So alright, I'm building, so that's taking priority right now. But thanks for watching, and you're going to start seeing more and more of it. Good work today, Mom. I made you a little dinner.
Okay.
A little bread and water. Eat up. Need your strength. Work starts tomorrow morning at 6:15 sharp. Good. More where that came from.
So good to me.
If there wasn't already a St. Peter, I'd be it.
You're right. You're so right. I remember when I haven't had so much fun.
Everybody remember, build
safely.
Oh, alright. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and if you think it would be beneficial to family and friends, consider sharing it. If any of you are wondering what my mom had to say in secret, just the usual. She told me, Pete, not only are you my best looking child, you're my favorite. No big secret.